In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your NextJS website on Hostinger. Deploying a NextJS app in 2020 and then 2025 is a breeze when you follow these straightforward steps. So let's dive right in and ensure your web application goes live smoothly. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's homepage. This platform has become a popular choice due to its affordability and user-friendly interface. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll be greeted by all the different options and features that Hostinger offers. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on one thing: deploying your Next.js application. Next, you want to go over to the dashboard. The dashboard is your main control center on Hostinger, where you can view and manage all your websites. It's like your personal cockpit for web hosting. By clicking on it, you're able to get a clear overview of all active projects you have hosted there. After accessing the dashboard, your next stop is to click on Files. This is where all the magic happens. Hitting the Files section will direct you to a list of websites and their respective folders associated with your account. It's a straightforward step that opens the door to managing your site content. Within the Files section, you should spot an option for the File Manager. Click on it to access the file system of your hosting account. The File Manager is an essential tool to keep all your website files organized directly on the Hostinger server. It's designed to make file management easy and intuitive for everyone, including those who might not be tech-savvy. Now that you're inside the File Manager, you'll see various files and directories for each of your hosted websites. It's important to locate and select the option to reach files of only this specific website. Each website is typically a separate folder within the File Manager, and selecting this ensures you're working in the right place. Once you've isolated the files for the particular website you're looking to deploy, locate, and click on the public #ml folder. This folder is crucial because it serves as the root directory for your web files. Think of it as the front desk of your website, welcoming all incoming visitors. All your web files should be placed here for them to be accessible via the internet. Inside the public HTML directory, you'll initiate the upload process. First, click on the File Upload button. This is your gateway to importing new files that aren't currently on the server. Following this, you'll need to click on the Insert Drive File icon. This allows you to explore your local system and choose the Next.js files you wish to upload. Finally, finish off by clicking on Upload. This action will transfer your selected files from your local system to the Hostinger server. If everything goes well, congratulations! Your Next.js web application should now be live and accessible on the internet. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully deployed your Next.js website using Hostinger. By following this guide, you help ensure a smooth transition from local development to global deployment. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!